Force Factor Anabolic Muscle Builder Review. Does it actually work? So, Force Factor Anabolic Muscle Builder is a supplement marketed to boost testosterone, enhance strength, and support muscle growth. It's positioned as a natural solution for men looking to improve performance at the gym. So, let's talk about the pros and cons. So, for the pros, it has natural ingredients. It supports testosterone. It has a muscle growth focused aimed at bodybuilders and fitness enthusiasts, and it is very easy to take. The cons is it has a limited scientific evidence of effectiveness and the blend itself. It also has a potential side effects, and there are some mixed user reviews, and even the premium price can be more expensive compared to other improvements or boosters. So, overall, it may provide some benefits for muscle growth and testosterone support, but the results are inconsistent and are not guaranteed.